I thought this would make a beautiful thumbnail. This is a picture that he took yesterday when he was in the Chanel store. Now let's get into the video. Today is my birthday. I'm so excited and so happy. Yesterday when we were walking around in Vegas, I wanted to go to a Louis Vuitton store just to look around. And so my husband said, go ahead and go. I'm going to go to the restroom. So I was walking around and then I started talking to an essay. And I was asking her questions, and in comes my husband. And he puts this on the counter, and I didn't even see that he had this. And then I was like, so you didn't go to the restroom? And then he tells me, no, I went to go get you a gift. And I was like, oh. And I think it's funny because I actually thought he was taking a while in the bathroom. But the essay told me, happy birthday. And then I just kept looking around, and then we left. So I'm excited to see what he picked out. So here's where the receipt comes in. And this is so pretty. I love the flower. I'm not going to look at the receipt, but this is pretty. Here is the beautiful packaging and the camellia flower. Very pretty. I took this off as carefully as I could because I want to put it back on the box. This camellia flower is so pretty. I thought it was made out of paper, but it's not. I want to put it back on the box and display it. And the one on the bag is the same thing. It's really soft. Very pretty. So I'm thinking about what it might be. It's this. This looks like it could be a care booklet, maybe. I'm not sure. I'll just look at it later. So the dust bag is a little bit thicker than the one from Louis Vuitton. I like it. It's nice. So let's see. Oh my goodness, he did a good job. I'm so surprised. Like, this is awesome. So this is called the O card holder with gold metal. And I've always wanted a card holder it's been a while. So he did such a good job. And this is such a pretty color. And I love it because it has the gold hardware. The gold hardware is so pretty. And it has 2 credit card slots there. One in the middle. Here's the card. Tells you it's real. It has the numbers on the back. So he did such a good job. This is so pretty. I don't really want to take the sticker off, but I'll just take it off. This is so pretty. I'm so happy. Oh my goodness, look at that gold. That shines so pretty. I'm so happy. I love it. This is just beautiful. He did a great job. I didn't even notice the bag when he walked in. He just put it on the counter. This is such a beautiful birthday gift. I'm so happy. So surprised. And now I have a card holder. I still can't believe it. So this is what he got me. And I'm so happy. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for the birthday comments on Instagram. And that's it. Like, subscribe, and comment. It means the world. Thanks for watching my unboxing.